It's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Welcome to Herb Connolly Chevrolet, part of the Herb Connolly Automotive Group, where the customer comes first. We are conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Wooster Road.